Guangzhou Livepro Beauty Cosmetics Company Limited was established in 2003. Livepro is a cosmetics manufacturer with integrating R&D, production and sales, producing all kinds of beauty cosmetics and providing OEM, ODM and OBM full service. The factory has an area of 5,000 square meters and a complete production workshop environment. It is constructed in accordance with the standards of EU ISO 22716 and US GMPC and has 300 square meters laboratory and 100,000 level production workshop. In addition, we also have multiple certifications such as Test Report by SGS and can provide necessary testing and certification according to your requirements. The company currently has a number of modern production lines, multiple sets international and domestic advanced emulsification, sterilization, inspection and testing equipment, which are good for providing various of skincare and cosmetics products, and the annual production volume can reach 50 million pcs. At the same time, Livepro can not only produce various forms, specifications and varieties of cosmetics, but also can detect all routine cosmetics items to ensure the quality of the company's products. Livepro has rich experience in production and sales, which make us be competitive extremely in technology, production, quality, price, delivery, service and other aspects. Adhere to quality first, honesty, active innovation, scientific management, low price and good quality, high quality service, policy to provide customers with better satisfactory service and quality products.